One of the most important things when I see a breast augmentation patient is to discuss what implant to use. Saline or silicone, it's pretty much a no-brainer. Everyone wants silicone these days. I haven't had a patient ask me to put saline in years. So when talking about a silicone implant, there are two parameters that I like to discuss with the type of gel, and then two parameters with regard to the shape. With regard to the shape, the teardrop, in my opinion, gives a more natural shape. That said, the more tissue that a woman has naturally to cover the implant, the less you're going to see the difference between a round and a teardrop shape. When I'm talking about the type of gel, you have the Inspira Responsive, which is a very soft implant. The softer the implant, the less control of shape. So this is an implant for a patient who absolutely wants the softest breast possible, not as concerned about the shape. The Inspira Soft Touch implant kind of hits the sweet spot because it's a perfect balance between softness and control of shape.